you know that most crosswalk buttons exist to give people a sense of control? Some tell the city system that a person is waiting to cross. A few give auditory aid, but most of them do nothing. Bigger cities like New York have deactivated all but a tenth of theirs. It's too expensive to remove the buttons, so they stay there, giving people nothing but a false sense of control.
There you go again, making everything philosophical.
We wouldn't be friends if you didn't appreciate it. I just think it's interesting. Everyone seeks out control one way or another. Some get it through physical appearance, or the cold shine of metal on the swipe of a card, sleepless nights and black coffee, drops of sweat on cracked concrete, food, vacuums, razor blades, cigarettes. Not all forms of control are healthy. At least crosswalk buttons are harmless.
Are they necessary?
The buttons?
Forms of control, the desire for them, the addiction.
Do you think so?
I think it's human.
Maybe.
Are you addicted to control then? Do you get it from your art?
No, art is just a hobby. I don't use it for control.
You didn't answer the first part of my question.
I'm thinking. What about you?
Do you count adrenaline?
Sure. Seeking out fear is still a way to get control over it. Willingly giving up control is still a form of control.
Racing, then.
That can be dangerous.
I know.
But I guess the others can be too.
Theo. You still haven't answered my question. Do you push the button?